Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video we are gonna see all about basics of order by clause and what is meant by the order by clause and how to execute the query and how to run the query. Everything we are gonna see in this video. If you are new, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's start the video. Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The tech snippets is here. Today I wanna show you what is meant by the order clause. You can see here with my help of the table data I can show you. This is the way that in the ascending order the student id column has been stored as 1 2 3 4 and so on 1 to 20. Here you can see that our first name column is starting with the j a d e. This is the wrong way. We have to store in the right way as from the ascending order. For that we have to use the query as order by clause, as I will show you how to use the query. We can use with the ascending or with the descending also. Only we have to write here select all from students, after that order by, and we have to write our column name. As you can see here, I want to write the ascending order in the first name, as I will select here and I will write here ASC. It means ascending, and we have to select it and we have to run it. And here you can see that guys, our first name column has been run successfully with the ascending order. You can see here with it is starting with the letters A B C D E to Z. You can see here it has been run successfully. This is how we saw that how the ascending order runs. Now I will show you how to run the descending. Okay, for making the row in the descending, only we have to select here and we have to write here only DESC. It means the descending, and we have to run our query. It shows that from E to Z all the reverse, as you can see here, yes O M, and here it will start from the last ABCD and so on. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.